Let's record. So we saw yesterday the drop, base and a drop happening, and today we are going to again look at the Nifty and Bank Nifty, क्योंकि कल सुबह को क्या होगा, that's the mindset, and what is the scenario, कल क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग, all that point of view से we are going to have a look at the stocks. चलो, so let me share the screen. Okay, great. So starting with Nifty.
Yeah.
So technically, if you see, ये line chart है, okay, and I'll put in the Japanese candlesticks. Okay, so what we had seen on the other day was that this was the level which it was not ready to break, right? And now it has broken it decisively, correct?
Yeah.
So direction wise, it is very clear on where are the market heading. So one thing very important, after a strong drop, what is the next level? What is going to happen? Now, will this Monday give you a recovery, or what will happen? It's a question mark. And one of the important news which has come in, and which is actually pushing the Nifty and the Bank Nifty down, is the report which has come in on the Adani Enterprises. So in this particular case, let's now go to the weekly charts and look at it in the weekly format. So weekly mein you had the doji coming in, right? Dojis, that means indecision was there. Very important levels were whether 18 to 50 is going to be broken, or 17,850 is going to be broken. So technically, we have seen a breakdown over here as far as the weekly is concerned. So technically, what has gone is a drop, a base, and a drop which has taken place, right? Now, why you should buy and why you should not buy is a question mark, right? So in this particular case, here, if you see this point, what you should be also doing is, एक simple example लेते हैं कि retracement from the top to the bottom. Now, where is this retracement which has come in? Almost at 61% ka retracement has come in, right? 61% ka retracement, it touched that 61% ka retracement. Now, very important level for us, you can please write down, very important level, 17880, right? 17880 and 17850 levels. 17850 levels, from where it has gone down. Now this will act as your strong resistance on the upside. So if the market even opens up and then starts to fall, okay, this 17,600 levels is the thing which again needs to be watched. If this level is again broken, then we are going to see a downfall. Simple. In this particular case, we have our budget which is coming in, right? So if you look at it in terms of only weekly chart, then this is the level where things could settle down somewhere around 17,200 levels if the fall is going to continue. So we are looking at 17,200 levels, from where the price has actually moved up, going down to 16,764 levels. Now this is a weekly chart. Please understand, this is a weekly chart. So right now we will take only 1 week at a time, because if the budget rally is coming in, and if the price, again repeating, if the price starts to move above 17,880 plus, right? Then we again are going upside. But in case of a daily chart, let's look at it on a daily chart. The drops have been really very, very stiff, right? Taking the support over here at 61.8 in the weekly, but the drops are strong. Now, see the way price has actually moved up over here, right? See the strength of the move over here, here, and even here. And see the way when the price goes down, see the strength of the move while it is going down. Check this out.
Yep.
Now, normally, how do we confirm whether the breakout is confirmed? Yes, no, what? Then technically, you have volumes in place, right? And if I put in the volumes, change the color of the volume. Just a minute.
अवेलेबल आपका कॉल करो था पहली कॉल कर नॉट रिचेबल था
See the way I'll just mute all. So in this case, okay, check the volumes. When we are checking the volumes, is the volume there or not? Yes, the volume seems to be there. Check this out. Over here, the volume is there. So the breakdown volume, which we normally look at, is there. So a probability of a continuation is very much likely. Do you agree or you don't agree? Is a question mark. Now, most of the time, people will say that the bounce back will be there. Adani Group has an FPO coming in, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So how we will look at it in terms of the bounce back? See, understand, a simple system which we normally follow. Okay. When you have the drop coming in and then a base coming in and a drop coming in, right? We call this as a mother candle. Now, what is the mother candle all about? When you have a mother candle, which is very, very strong, okay, till the time the high of the mother candle is not moved, means the closing is not there, the continuation pattern will be there. So it's a drop base, drop base, drop, only to see that the price, when if it stops, right? The price, if it stops, it needs to do a basing and then rally coming in. Okay, so rally needs to go above for a confirmation that the up move has taken place. Whether we are going to get a immediate rally or it will just do a sideways basing only to see the price going down, only time will tell. But this is as far as the daily charts are concerned. Look at it in a 240 minutes chart. Okay, in the 240 minutes also, I will take a 30 days or a 90 day. Look at this. Simple, right? Basing coming in, the mother candle was not broken. Again, the drop coming in, again, you have the basing candle. So what is very important as far as our levels are concerned? See, it has come up almost 100 points, but 100 points is not going to be survival in terms of whether the opening of Monday is going to be strong or not. So 17,720 is what I may think in terms of buying it, or if it sustains on the top over here for some time and not ready to go below 17,700, then we are looking for a price. But again, like I said, 17,800 levels from where it has broken, this is going to work as a resistance for this particular week. So very important what and how this week the up move is there. Practically doesn't seems to be like, but anything can happen in the market. Okay, so very important, if this sustains over here for the first 1 hour, then and price dance over here to see going up, then it is fine. What happens if there is a gap down opening? What happens if there is a gap down opening? Then the continuation of the pattern would continue. But it is simple. Sell when it goes high, only to see it going down. Now, why? And why there could be a up move and why there could be a down move? Two questions you need to ask yourself. What is more important is, what are the stocks or which are the sectors which are actually pushing the Nifty down? One of the important is the Bank Nifty. Now let's look at Bank Nifty on a weekly chart first before we change it to this thing. Now, in the similar fashion, we had seen Bank Nifty also going down, pushing the levels of 41,650 levels. Okay, and the drop has confirmed over here also. If we go and check that is this with a higher volume comparatively, let's look at it on a daily chart also. Yes, on a daily chart also, the volumes seems to be there, right? So confirmation in terms of weekly and the daily, both seems to be there. Which seems to be more negative comparative to the Nifty or Bank Nifty? Definitely the Bank Nifty seems to be more negative, right? So if I draw my retracement, this is a daily retracement, okay? Daily retracement levels. Important level which it was holding for quite some time, okay, was this level. Check this out. 4,200 levels, right? And then a strong drop coming in. Now, where we are, in which particular zone we are in? We are in this particular zone, a 61% and 50%, this thing. So you have your levels over here of 40,900, 40,900, correct? And almost 40,100. So that's the huge range we are in. Now, a continuation pattern could bring it down to 40,100 levels. So right now, every rise could be a sell. Every rise could be a sell unless and until it is very clear what is happening. Now, people will say, should I go ahead and buy? Now, please understand, buying, in case you want to buy as an investor, break your investment into 3 parts. Okay, whatever you want to buy, okay, one part you buy right now, quantity, small quantity. Second part you buy after 3 weeks, and the third part, once you have a confirmation of your levels of the price going up, that's the how you should be breaking down your investment, this thing. See, nobody is able to catch the top, or nobody is able to catch the bottom. What you need to do is, you have to find out the stock which you want to buy. Okay, understand this, that market always has or functions into 4 cycles. Stage 1, where it accumulates. Stage 2, when it is going up. Stage 3, when the distribution takes place. And stage 4, when the down movement starts. So the money which is made is either on the stage 2 or in the stage 4 levels, right? Now we are definitely, as far as we are concerned, we are in the stage 4 cycle, where the down movements are definitely has started. Okay, now This week, can we see a sideways movement to downwards is what we are looking at as far as the Bank Nifty is concerned. Now, please understand, while it is going up, the going up is going to be really slow and steady. Because to climb up the mountain, it takes a lot of time, but to come slide down the mountain, the slides are huge ones. So people get caught while the market does a correction and going down. Okay, so in the daily chart, we are looking at this going above by 240 minutes chart, right? So in the 240 minutes chart also, the levels were holding for quite some time. Understand this, 41650 levels. Not ready to go down, not ready to go down, only to see the price just dropping like anything, right? So whatever the time frame you are following, okay, you need to understand why the fall is happening, a news which is coming in. But in this particular case, we had got so many indications, price not ready to move up, price not ready to move up, price not ready to move up, only to see a drop of almost 2,000 points in just a matter of 2 days plus. That's it. Okay, so understand that market is not only about buying and then selling, but you can get a chance of selling first and then buying at a low price. Correct? Now, what are the stocks which are pushing it down, and which are the stocks which might or think about going up? So in the Bank Nifty sector, look at let us look at all the Bank Nifty components. Okay, very important level for Indus Bank. If it breaks the 1100 levels, practically we are going to see it downside. Kotak Bank is in a continuous fall. Okay, one which is pushing the Bank Nifty down. Again, a very important level of 847 was also broken as far as ICICI Bank was concerned. Okay, Axis Bank we have seen. Let's check the Axis Bank. Again, in the Axis Bank, a very clear indication, like we had seen last week also, a beautiful head shoulder formation. Okay, levels not holding, and we are able to see the drop coming in. Okay, now will the drop continue, or 468 is not broken? But if the 468 levels are again broken, okay, very important levels over here, 468, then again the price can go right up till 837. So the drop is definitely there. Okay, let's look at the one of the important component, the HDFC Bank. Now this is the bank which needs to hold it. See this levels coming in again and again and holding it. This was a weekly line. Okay, and lot of buying has taken place. Okay, not allowing the Bank Nifty to go down further. But on a higher time frames, definitely the Bank Nifty looks pretty weak. Now, this is the stock you need to watch along with the SBI. See the way the SBI has been going down, down, down. Very important level. It has come down to a very important level of 531. So SBI and HDFC Bank is the one which needs to be watched along with the Kotak Bank and few other stocks, right? So Bank Nifty, the pressure seems to be definitely downside. Okay, what gives you a strength? Like last when we had the study of ADX, let's understand the ADX also in terms of what it has done. Now look at this. ADX is definitely, the strength is just starting to build up, which gives us a sense of this thing, that yes, it was negative, definitely price coming down, okay, and volume also confirming the strength of the move, just starting to build up. This is a daily chart of SBI. Okay, let's look at it immediately, and you will be able to come to know that most of the strength is just around the corner, trying to get built up. But look at this in terms of Kotak Bank. The Kotak Bank strength of the move has actually matured over here. Okay, so 1700 levels are the ones which one should be watching out. It has matured over here, but when the move strength of the move is there, then the continuation happens. Okay, so this is one of the tools which you can use again and again. Okay, let's look at Reliance, one of the heavyweights. Look at Reliance also. This was given to you 2 weeks back. Formation of shoulder, head, shoulder, and look at this, the strength getting confirmed and the continuation pattern happening. So like we said, Reliance has completed the cycle. Stage 1, stage 2, distribution happening, and stage 4 coming in. But is this going to go down further? Only time will tell, but check this out. The stage of the cycle actually works. Now, in this particular case, the shoulder, head, and a shoulder formation happening, and then the price going down strongly. Now, this was given some time back, almost 2 weeks back, that once the price is not ready to go above 2585, then we are heading downside, and almost a drop of 200 points along with the Nifty. So guys, very important that, you know, all the levels cannot be a buy levels, all the levels cannot be a sell level. There are tools wherein you can actually get to understand the selling, continuation of a selling pressure, right? In the similar fashion, let's look at Nifty also on 2 time frames. Okay, look at this Nifty. Okay, it has done an upwards movement. Now, is this going to continue over here for some time? Only time will tell. But yes, definitely it is showing that it is negative on a 240 minutes chart also, a daily chart. Let's look at 240 minutes chart. That is a 4-hour chart. Okay, where the strength is just getting built up. Where the strength is just getting built up, the strength has not even started. Okay, this indicator is a lagger. Understand this. This is a lagger. It is a very slow moving lagger. If I show you on a 60-minute chart, you will come to know that the strength was confirmed. Okay, the strength was confirmed. Okay, when the 17,880 levels was broken. Okay, now remember this, the levels can hold for quite some time before the drop comes in. So very important levels over here. Okay, are we going to open on the upside? Then you remember this levels of 17,881. Okay, and that is what I should be looking at. Now, is the strength of the move, Nifty move, very strong? No, definitely not. It is at the 16, 17 levels. But compared to Bank Nifty, yes, the Bank Nifty drop was really strong and fast. Okay, so let's, we have a few minutes. Let's take up Reliance. I have already taken Reliance. Okay, and Maruti, it's the only surviving stock which we had given as a buy right over here. check this out, at 83, approximately around 8300 levels, and gave a super duper move to 88 plus. Okay, now this the whole of auto sector, look at this again. Those who are not using this tool in a right fashion, check this out. Strength of the move, moving up, okay, and the price running away. Use this tool on whatever 60-minute time frame or higher time frames, not to go below 60 minutes. It will not give you a sense of false this thing, but definitely you need to simply work on this. IT sector is the only sector, like we have our rules. Okay, if a bank is going to drop, then IT sector is the one which is going to hold for some time. So let's check out a few of the IT stocks on the daily chart. Okay, so technically on the up move sideways, HCL Tech, it has reached 1141. Okay, again momentum just about to move up. Infosys, let's check. Okay, Infosys is dancing. Anything above 1554 only will give us a confirmation, but pressure on Infosys is there. Crossover of the down part means 1500 levels is the one which one needs to push. Okay, practically sideways right now for LTIM. Okay, LTTS down journey still is on. Emphasis sideways. TCS is not ready to go above the 3444 levels. See over here, one time, two times, and this is the third time it has come in. Okay, strength is not there. It is below 19. So anything above 34444 should be the levels to watch out for. Tech Mahindra. Okay, Tech Mahindra, we were in a buy and it has reached our target and is down now. So practically this seems to be coming down to again come back to the 1000 levels. And the last one, let's look at Wipro. Okay, Wipro also is, see the strength of the move, not there, and again coming down. Understand that this is stuck in the range for again quite some time. Look at this. Okay, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, and then stage 4. Now, is this a stage 1? Then the dancing is happening over here for quite some time before we can see the stage starting. So the first stage, second stage, third stage, and the fourth stage. Now, where is the money to be made? Always stage 2, always stage 4. Same thing getting repeated again and again and again and again. Very important level for Wipro, right? Very important level, 381, and on the upside, 422, right? So this is the level where accumulation is happening or a distribution happening right now. So this is definitely a level to watch out. Okay, price not ready to go off, almost stuck in the range for almost 6 months plus. Chart. So simple rule is I will use my 10 minutes move to play the Nifty and the Banknifty. Okay, wherein in case it opens with a gap down, if it opens with a gap down, okay, and the continuation pattern continues, I would love to be on the sell side, not to be on the buy side. Okay, in case you are in the buy side, suppose you are in a buy side, right? Then you need to trail your profits. That is what I would say, because right now I would not recommend a buy immediate buy. Definitely no. Okay, even if the price may run away, I am still okay not to buy immediate. Like I said, buying needs to have to be divided into 3 parts. And if you do that exercise, it will be a wonderful way of going about. Okay, somebody had asked in relate to Adani stocks. So let's look at the Adani stocks also. We have a few moments to go. So let's add the Adani scripts. Okay, so Adani Enterprise, check this out. The ADX had given a clear indication of a sell right over here at 3800 levels. Okay, and down by almost 1000. Now the FPO coming in, still going on. They are not have taken a decision of not going above. So where is a very important level for us? 61% also been broken. Okay, very important level of 2880 on the upper side as a resistance. If it tends to go up, very important level to find out. Okay, Adani Green again just started the momentum. Okay, but again in this particular case also a simple trend line, and that once the trend line is broken, the shoulder head and a shoulder formation was there, right? And the trend line is broken. Now where will be the halt of the trend line? Very important. So go to higher time frames, and this is the best way to go about. Go to higher time frames and look at where it could stop, and that is the best place to look at. So another 100 points to go still, whether it is going to stop over here. And if you look at it on a monthly chart, right? So in the monthly chart, where is your this thing? So the levels over here in the monthly is somewhere around another 30-40 points to go before it will stop. But almost 50% Adani Green is down. Adani Ports, check this out. Again, the same happening. The momentum has not started. Okay, what I will simply do is I will just wait. Nobody can catch the top and the bottom. Look at this. Okay, still some. If this week continuation happening, okay, we are going to get somewhere around 500 levels. I will wait. If you want to become an investor, patience is the game. Okay, very important, very important that you hold tight. Don't just rush in, because even if you buy on the higher side, once everything settles down, and even if you buy on the higher side, it is perfectly all right now, because bottom is not known. Understand this, bottom is not known. If it breaks 237, then there is nothing over here to stop. Okay, from 237 to 187 and almost 126. That's the 3 levels for Adani Power. Okay, Adani Transmission, very important level. It is holding, coming over here at a very important level. But look at it. This is a monthly chart. Okay, monthly chart, bearish, dark cloud cover, and then 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Something is cooking up and price going down. Now it is coming to a definitely it is coming back to a very important level. Now, will I see a bounce above, or since this is monthly chart, another 2-3 days to go. So this chart is still not complete as far as month is concerned, but this is what it shows, right? So weekly may still pressure seems to be down. Okay, and again repeating the same thing. It depends again in this particular case. Look at this, the strength of the move has just started. Okay, so by the time we are having our budget meet, whatever is going to come in as far as the budget is concerned, right? Don't you feel it is already been discounted? So if there is some good news which will come in the budget, and the price may again try to go up, it is the factor is already been discounted. The bad news are already been discounted over here. Okay, so maybe we will have a budget rally around the first or post budget rally, but wait for the right levels to jump into the trades. Okay, or use the three method. Just don't jump into it because you like it. Your understanding should be why I am buying at this particular level, and from here where it can go. So I hope the levels are quite clear in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, I will wait for the first 5 minutes volatility to get over, and then the direction would be much more clearer. The pressure seems to be down. Okay, whether our DIIs will buy and hold the market, time will only tell. This is Mayur Sampat signing off. See you next week on this weekly analysis. Have a wonderful trading day ahead. Bye-bye. Take care. And I'll see you once again. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do and like, share, comment. Thank you very much for coming to the meet. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock class as usual, live in the market. Please, all students, please come in. Bye-bye.